Welcome and hello to our fourth edition of our video series, Implementation of PROAD Software Sky. In this workshop, I will show you how to set up options and preferences in PROAD through the Agency menu. Go through the menu Structure Agency in the Settings area. Here you have the opportunity for entering additional currencies, exchange rates, countries and the related holidays. If you would like to enter additional countries, please remember to enter the currency and calendar settings that apply to this country as well. PROAD uses the information entered for holidays for the holiday planning of employees and for the resource planning possible in PROAD. Many arrangement possibilities in PROAD, such as the creation of profile fields, are self-explanatory. Otherwise, they use the menu item Support to get help from our support team for the individual areas. You have the opportunity of creating each newly created data record with an automatic independent numbering via the menu Item Agency Settings Numbering. Since the default is set to manual numbering, you must first uncheck the checkboxes so that you can set up individual automated numbering for all listed areas. Especially with project numbering, they should resort back to automated numbering. For example, at the beginning of a project number, you can set the prefix of the customer and place separators, date fields and text fields in front of the current number. If you prefer to assign a date, for example year, then you can use the checkbox Reset Year to specify that the number range will start again at 1 in the new year. The number source is important for project numbering as it determines whether a sequential number is created per customer or whether the numbering is global, so it doesn't matter which customer a project is created for, it is automatically counted up. The digits determine the number of the running number and over the number range. They can set up their project numbering with their own start number. The end number should always match the number of digits. You can use the checkboxes to save your configured numbering, and then after PROAD has restarted, reactivate and log in, you can also use it for the new systems of the individual data records. If you have questions about the additional option settings, please contact our support or just give it a go yourself. We find the setup of the option settings to be self-explanatory and therefore they will find their way around without too many problems. Thank you for watching this video. If you have questions or you need assistance, feel free to contact us. We will be pleased to help you.